Back at where we had our first date and na-realize ko actually perfect first date spot siya. Hey friends, share ko lang bakit perfect first date spot dito sa Candle Cafe. The place is nice but chill vibes lang so no pressure. Ang daming options sa food and drink so hopefully may matipuhan yung date mo aside sa'yo syempre. And you can stay here from dinner until dessert and coffee para mahaba-habang kwentuhan. Now let me share with you what we tried. The pumpkin soup was so-so lang, thick but lacks in creaminess and yung bacon sana in bits form. The salad though I enjoyed. Refreshing and well-balanced yung dressing. Love the shrimp, pomelo, and candied walnuts. Favorite ko yung cheesy maki. It's crunchy outside tapos cheese is not salty, more on creamy and ang sarap with a bit of wasabi. In fairness, didn't expect such a solid burger here. The patty is thick and well cooked tapos may egg pa on top. Yung bun and kamote fries were just okay. Itong pork tonkatsu nila, sulit. I mean, look at that size. Yung meat itself naman is tender and not fatty. Sana lang mas madami yung